Hello into my factory. Today I was in store and tried to get some chain for this electrical chain hoist, but I have a bad luck today and then I get a wrong chain. As you see, it have different step and the thick, and so I must get like this original one. So I done some homework and I create this. This is automatics for that one. I take relays, I put them into the box and connect all wires. This one is created by my friend. He's electrical expert, and he put the wiring into here right, and later and I connect them to here. So I built this today. It's one more crane into my workshop, and this I put here for demonstration. Easy to move this. So here we can see some posts. It's some nice pipe bearing housings. Into those housings are bearing, so I'm using the steel bars and double T profile beams, and this strange part is called as tractor's backbone, but I customized it. I cut it off over here. Here was a ring and weld rod. That is my welding from another side. So I have no time to paint it because I have a lot of work, and I worked to another works, and around 1 month this machine was not touched. But now I hope I get some free time soon and I fix this. So also I hope that I get the right chain for that. So and then I can keep progress this late project. So what I left to done on this beam is make something what is closing this end, so that this can't come off of the beam like so, you know. So I built that. Thanks for the watching, good luck, and have a nice day.